Hey friends! In this video I wanted to show you a test of a bunch of the pink pens that I have in my collection. I knew that I had a lot of brush pens, but I noticed that my collection of other types of pens, like that I use for journaling, was kind of growing a little bit larger than it has been in the past. So I grabbed a bunch of the pink pens and thought that I would show you a comparison of how they write and of some of the colors that I have, and just a little demonstration of each of these. I won't talk you through the entire thing because this is a pretty quick video, but I hope this is helpful for you, and I will leave a link in the description box for the products that I'm using here. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Again, I hope this is helpful for you, and if you're interested in like a full pen review on any of these, let me know in the comments box below. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!